Welcome to today's video on home decor. In this episode, we will explore some exciting ideas to transform your living space into a stylish sanctuary. Let's dive in. Welcome back to home decor. Today's we are exploring the wonderful world of standing planters, a stylish and functional way to showcase your favorite plants both indoors and outdoors. Whether you have a green thumb or are just starting your plant journey, standing planters can elevate your space beautifully. Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the charming and creative world of bicycle planters stands. These delightful pieces not only add a unique flair to your garden but also provide a fantastic way to showcase your favorite plants. Let's explore some inspiring ideas that will get your creativity flowing. First step, we have the tricycle planter. This adorable design features three round basket perfect for planting vibrant flowers or herbs. Its classic Parisian style brings a touch of elegance to any garden setting, making it a beautiful focal point. Next, talk about repurposed bike planters made from old bicycles or maybe new bicycles. These eco friendly options are not only sustainable but also add a rustic charm to your outdoor decor. Imagine transforming an old bike into a stunning planter that tells a story while nurturing your plants. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the enchanting world of bicycle planter stands. We hope you feel inspired. Thanks for watching. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.